And Mark, in some ways, it's ridiculous that we talk about a global economy. There's almost no such thing as a worldwide economy, and it seems that that's increasingly so. And also, not only do different nations and different regions experience very different economies, but it depends where you're sitting and how you're looking at it, and what your fund is interested in, and and what particular industry you're looking at.
Yes, you're right, Daisy. I think we discussed this morning, the regions are growing at different rates and different economies do perform differently. Currently, we are still focused on education and FMCG. So we're looking at companies with scalable platforms. We're looking at founders who are very ambitious and who are experienced in the field of growing the business.
Yeah. Amaya, from your perspective, when you're looking at different organizations, even different individuals, given what the world looks like at the moment, with some areas very buoyant, some areas, most people much more conservative, is there something that would turn you on to an individual proposal given the world situation?
So thanks for having me here. First, I'm going to start by saying we're very optimistic in general, and even in the current climate, we invest early stage. We do only pre-seed investment, and we're the largest pre-seed investor in the world. We have 3,500 companies in our portfolio, and everywhere we look, we see massive opportunities. Whether it's as you were saying, by geography, this region is booming. There's a lot of things happening in Africa. If you now go into some part of India, same thing. If you go into some specific area in Europe, same thing. So lots of positive things here. Same thing by industry, by vertical. You look at industry like health tech or food tech, booming, like really happening right now. Same thing with climate change and sustainability. And so for us, what we look at is it's basically a matrix. We're looking at countries and verticals, and then we're identifying what are the pockets of innovation, and we see them everywhere. And at the end of the day, it just comes down to meeting with the founder, finding whether or not they are what we call unstoppable founder, like they're going to go through whatever is put in front of them, and just then supporting them. But we're very, very optimistic, as I said.